Hi, I'm Shumapti and welcome to my channel, and today I have 5 beauty tips for you. So yeah, let's start. So first tip I have is for thicker, bushier, darker eyebrows. So for that you need a hair growth serum. You can get any hair growth serum that works for you from Pilgrim, Minimalist or any other brands. So what you're gonna do, at night you're gonna apply that hair serum on your eyebrows, then you're gonna wait for say 10 minutes, and after that you're gonna apply like thin layer of Vaseline on your eyebrows. Then you're gonna sleep, you're gonna get up and your eyebrows are gonna be super happy. And I have been doing this for I think almost a month and I'm really impressed by the results. And you can ask me now, Shumapti, can I do this for eyelashes? I won't do that. I'm too scared to put anything near to my eyes. So for eyelashes I won't do that, but for eyebrows this thing is working well for me. You can give it a try and let me know. And yeah, I have tried castor oil as well. Castor oil first, then I put Vaseline, but I didn't like it. It felt too much for my eyebrows. But this hair growth serum and Vaseline, they go really well together, at least for my eyebrows. Now at number 2 I have my all-time most loved detanning face pack. So for that I'm gonna need yogurt and licorice root powder. And for licorice powder I'm using this one from Alps Goodness. They have good quality herbal powders. They have turmeric, amla, licorice. If you're into uptans and all, you're gonna find their products to be quite helpful. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take licorice powder and yogurt, I'm gonna mix it, then I'm gonna keep it on my clean face for like say 15 minutes, then I'm gonna wash it off. You can do this twice or thrice in a week and it works really well for detanning or just overall giving you the glow, because licorice works on pigmentation, it works on uneven skin tone, and yogurt works for like, it has lactic acid, so it can mildly exfoliate your skin, also it can nourish your skin. And yeah, I really love this face pack. Alright, the next pack I have is gonna help you with if you have like extremely oily skin or just you want your skin to look more fresh. So you can use multani methi and sandalwood powder. Then you're gonna add water in there, and then you're gonna apply this pack on your skin for like 10 minutes. You can use this twice in a week. So if you have like really dry skin, it may not work for you. And I used to have really dry skin. Actually, when I was a teenager, my skin used to be oily, but I didn't know how to take care of my skin, so I did things I shouldn't have done to my skin. My skin barrier got damaged and it became more and more dry. But now my skin is at like better condition. Now it's coming back to how it used to be. So my skin feels a bit oily, and these days I've been using like clay marks a lot, and these things are helping me out. So if you have oily skin, combination skin or normal skin, it can work for you. You can use this pack for your body too, and as they have really good this uptans and stuff, and you can find turmeric, sandalwood, they have amla, rita, then licorice, these powders available. All these are of really good quality and at very affordable prices. And the next hack I have is if you have very tired eyes. So recently I bought this silicone eye patches and I love it. You can use this again and again. It's not like one time use thing. So you take this eye patches, put this inside your fridge, and when you need, you can put this over your eyes and relax. It feels really nice. So I thought of like telling you about this because I never tried any of this silicone eye patches before. I was kind of skeptical about these things, but yeah, it works. I think it's better than those one time eye patches. Like I have tried those things before and I found this one to be better because when my eyes feel like tired, puffy, it really takes care of that. And another thing is that you need to like clean these patches. Like each time you use, clean this properly, otherwise you might get rashes. So yeah, another thing I discovered like accidentally is that let me share this with you. So if you want very soft skin, what you can do, you can use cleansing oil first. You can massage cleansing oil, and like after like 3 minutes of massaging or 2 minutes of massaging, you can apply scrub, like physical scrub, manual scrub over it, and massage it for like 1 minute, then wash it off. I did it like by chance. One day I was like using the oil cleanser and I had this scrub with me from this Pure Sense thing, and I did it and my skin felt so soft and I liked it. But if you have acne prone skin, it may not work for you. I didn't have to use a cleanser after that, so yeah, but I don't use this every day, max like twice or once in a week, that's all. Like when I like want to like look extra glowy and I want my skin to look like extra soft, I do this, and let me know how it works. And I'm really excited for you to try. I think you're gonna get like soft skin. And yeah, but do a patch test, and if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, don't use this, may not work for you. So the last thing I have, and this is for if you find any moisturizer with lotion, emulsion to be thick, you want something lighter and you sweat a lot after using moisturizer, you can do this thing. Take your moisturizer or lotion, whatever you have, and add toner in that. I'd say 4 to 5 drops of toner, then you apply that on your skin, and it gives very like refreshing dewy look. And if your skin sweats a lot, it may help there. And for this I recommend Innisfree green tea toner because it has very soothing properties. It also feels very cooling to skin. So yeah, you might find this to be helpful if your skin doesn't like moisturizer at all, it feels sweaty and it feels just dull, you might find this trick to be useful. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this to be helpful, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.